Searching PubMed can be powerful, but also time-consuming. What if AI could help you find better papers faster? PubMed is one of the most widely used tools in biomedical research, but it relies heavily on keyword-based searches, which often require multiple iterations to find the most relevant studies. Recently, AI-powered features and tools have started to change how we interact with PubMed. These include semantic search, AI-assisted summaries, and tools that help refine queries more intelligently. The actual browser and search for PubMedAI. And we'll try to search for SGLT2 inhibitors, cardiovascular outcomes. We just go to search and you enter this topic, click on the arrow, and it will show traditional results, then improved query AI assisted version. Instead of manually refining keywords, AI can help identify related concepts and improve search relevance. This reduces the time spent screening irrelevant papers. As you can see, it shows you the result summary of what SGLT2 inhibitors are. It makes an introduction, and similar to open evidence, you can see the key insights and where it got the information from which paper, always on PubMed, as well as a conclusion, and then it lists the papers that were used to build that information. Have access to them as well. The part of the impact factor and the quartile, it's also pretty interesting in my opinion. Now, take into account that it's not a super filtered information because, as you can see, there's papers that have an impact factor of 2.6 and on the same one there is 22.3. So take that into consideration. However, as you've seen, AI is not perfect. It may miss important studies, introduce bias, and oversimplify complex findings. So critical evaluation is still essential. However, when used correctly, AI can significantly improve your literature search workflow, but it should always complement, not replace traditional methods. If you want more tools to improve your research workflow, consider subscribing. Also, let me know in the comments which tools do you want me to cover next. See you on the next video.